Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase your time management with RescueTime step by step clearly. Start by visiting the RescueTime website. Click on the sign up button to create your account. Choose between the free or premium version based on your needs. Fill in the necessary information, including your email address and a password. Once signed up, check your email for a verification link. Click the link to confirm your account. Log in to your RescueTime dashboard. Download the application for your device from the dashboard. Install the application by following the on-screen instructions. After installation, launch the RescueTime app. Grant any necessary permissions for tracking your activity. Review the setup options to customize how RescueTime tracks your time. Decide which categories you want to monitor, such as work or personal tasks. Set specific goals within the dashboard to improve focus. Use the Focus Time feature to block distractions during work hours. Check your dashboard regularly to assess how you spend your time. Analyze the reports provided by RescueTime to identify time drains. Adjust your daily schedules based on the insights you gain. Utilize weekly summaries to track your progress over time. Make it a habit to reflect on your time management every week. Consider setting up alerts for proactive time management adjustments. Explore additional features, like productivity reports, available in the premium version. Implement changes based on the data RescueTime provides. Stay consistent for continued improvement in your time management skills. Celebrate your wins as you notice increased productivity and better focus. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.